Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to install extensions on your Google Chrome. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to install extensions on your Google Chrome, first open up your Google Chrome, click on the search bar and type in Chrome Web Store and hit enter. And after that, you'll be directed to this page, and on the first result of Google there is the Chrome Web Store. Click over there, and over here you can see all these types of awesome extensions available from the Google Chrome. You can also search for extensions if you want them, and let's go and let's try for TubeBuddy and join enter, and you can see there is the TubeBuddy, guys. Click over there, and you can see I have already added it on my this Google Chrome. And if I wanted to add some another softwares like extensions like I did this software, so you can see the vidIQ. Click over there and click on add to Chrome, and it will be added on your Chrome. Add extension, it will be downloaded, and let's wait it for downloaded. And you can see the vidIQ has been launched. Let's sign up with our Google, and let's go. You will be required to go through these processes when you install any of these extensions. You will be required to sign up, and after that, let's go to our YouTube.
Hello everyone and welcome
And
to
let's pause this, guys. You can see the vidIQ is currently on my browser over here, and all these kinds of informations are given by the vidIQ on my web browser. And there, guys, you can this way you can install many types of extensions on your Google Chrome by searching it and click on them, and everything will have add to Chrome available over there, and some will have the premium offers. You can go to the beginners one if you like. And guys, this is how you install extensions on your Google Chrome. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.